Welcome to the new Sandcrawler workshop. It's Sunday, March 4th. I'm going to do a quick flyover. I got 4 things going at once. One more and the train comes off the rail, so I got to get something done here, but we don't know what. I just got done working on the Imperial playset. Got some wiring done. Got it all soldered up and shrink wrapped. I love shrink wrap. This is dual purpose shrink wrap. It protects it and hides lousy solder jobs. I'm getting better. I haven't really done much soldering, but I'm going to keep practicing on it. One thing I will guarantee with my soldering is it ain't going anywhere. It will definitely be there for a millennium. Even got, this just arrived this week. My wire, my spool of wire, made in USA. Sorry, Frank. I couldn't find any Canadian wire, so I went for second best. Okay, here's what I just put up pictures on. Put up some LEDs. And I'm waiting for more LEDs and things to get this side done. And then I'm going to have to turn it up on its side. And then wire everything from underneath. I wasn't going to wire these for lights, but that is going to be radical when it gets done. I can't wait. My third project it's turned into a nightmare. I made one of these for my wife. So I thought, you know, I'll go ahead. Some of her gal pals want some, so I made some more. And I threw up some jigs. Now the jig looks pretty good. At least I thought it was, until I started putting parts together. And it looks like, you know, I bought it from Mr. Haney on Green Acres. Or, better than that, the white picket fence out in front of the house. Kick a gander at that and you'll know what I mean. It's just that when you put the holes in, if one's off a little, and you times it times 3, that's what happens when you go to put it together. And they were all crooked, so I have scrapped everything. I'm patching the holes, all the holes on the next 2 ones I made that were all messed up. And I am very, very carefully making new jigs. And when I get these done, I can rip these off in no time at all. And last but not least, the cantina shelf. I got more to add on this. This is going to be fun. Take a gander at that. I bet you most of you can guess what that's going to end up. I got acrylic rods on the way. And I can give you a hint. Besides lighting, we're going to have dun 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 dun. That's all I'm going to say. But I've had a few problems with the paint. It happens from time to time on these ends. When I went to paint them, I don't know why, but the paint just went funky. I don't know, we had a lot of rain last week, could have been humidity, but stuff like that happens, so I had to fix a few things. But other than that, that's where we're at right now. And I got parts on the way. I got LED lights, I got some more the remote control on and off dimmer things and power supplies. And a good thing we got going here is what I don't know, I have an expert to guide me on, and that means the learning curve is going to be really short here. Grover Nichols, who happens to be a member of this group, who also happens to be kin and lives on our road, knows all about this stuff, and he is going to tutor me in getting up on LED lights. And he's good too finding neat little toys and things, so we are going to take this work of mine to the next level. And it is going to be rad. Oh well, that's it for today. We gone. Stay tuned.